As a seasoned manufacturing specialist in the field of fan-fold corrugated board, we are committed to providing our clients with exceptional packaging solutions. We operate a fully automated, intelligent production line, supported by a rigorous closed-loop quality management system, ensuring that every batch achieves the optimal balance between durability and cost-effectiveness. We provide comprehensive, tailored services, including rapid shipping for stock items, flexible on-demand customization, and prioritized production for urgent orders. With robust production capacity and reliable delivery capabilities, we will be a reliable partner for your large-scale projects. Long-term supply requirements. By choosing us, you are choosing professionalism, reliability, and efficiency. What are you still hesitating about?